Krobia Sante Kotoko player Richmond Lamptey din sema to this time wasa kasa na kasa o kasa ye no oni Kumasi Sante Kotoko YouTube channel na kasa wo din sema ya to dwa we revelations bi nyoma nkusua ne ade a ho asem Mohammed bro e wo fia Isaac Mintah e aduana star striker say metima ka say onye aduana star striker bi because we free ho wa join the trainer eko e wo Libya say no e club ben wa join details and more kakra e wa ha me bro e wo fie ha ni deal no ene wa complete no week no nyina na so obeko onko Isaac Mintah Franko Naro na the screen so no Franko Naro e sensational sports journalist veteran one and or the similar to ja regarding papa ya the screen is ye nyina nim say Anas Aremeyao around 2018 to 2019 and all the Exposé bi ba ya ekofa Ghana football ground de ba nsinsin bebre Franko Naro edin simbia to jan semono. I don't know what you think about it. I'm for saying Naro are hitting the nail right on the top. Now you see Naro in some new year me so meje wa gentry if you are regarding in sama Franko Naro edituja in relation with Anas Aremeyao be good Ghana football and then sensin bebre or the yakoye chini and there sana manfo kampacho how you super 24 TV so subscribe ya wadara no subscribe ya mami Isaac Mintah say no the nani ache Ali Tripoli ewo Libya, yes. So I Jessica boom. I understand say transfer fee no around $200,000. Enti Diana Jasho mo. Senior man the other so ha which is Richmond Lamptey. Nensema on Kotoko channel on the kind ebini. I say when I joined the Black Stars camp, I learned so many things. Football is not about rushing. It is about patience. If you rush when playing football, you make mistakes. I've also learned that when you are on the ball, your intensity should be high. Or say call Black Stars camp no. Was you your bebre. Na football no any rushing and your patience. If you are playing football, also who say when you are playing football, you make mistakes. So mistakes no was you and I've learned that football and kasano a boy even though say ehia abotre no enye boy was a intensity no man yellow ni nyina no akosua e wo Black Stars camp a aboa no de be boa Kotoko ni nkomo twitwe otwe na chese Kotoko no otrem Richmond Lamptey otrem ama season na baby likely cross it be cap na African team no be part nyambotremai now Franko Naro so na edin same way etuja or say I regret some of the comments I made to support Anas number 12 Exposé. Or say we regret commenter or make here the support Anas Exposé no because Anas Exposé no sebi mfaso bia ni wa abaso ene ameno kase we de me sheda na me be twi mu ma o Anas Exposé okofa bayi e de akoyechi ana de abeanim metoma ye nyina se ye betimi akere ya adwen afa ho Franko Naro de o say we regret class or support no say Anas Exposé no e ba so wonso wadwen kire ene sen regarding in sama Naro editu dwe yendi kasubom e wo comment section ho bedasi bebre.